everyone, welcome to Mondays with Maya. Today I have a special treat for you. I'm doing this whole weekend workshop on intimacy with amazing intuitive shaman and healer Vlada. Hello Vlada.
Hello Maya.
Hello Ivan. So it's been so amazing, so revealing about relationships and all the intimacy and how do we do this. We all have problems these days with relationships, right? So tell me, this is a family constellation. I don't know if you know about it, but Vlada, what is that, your work that you're doing?
Mi se vrlo često nalazimo u situaciji da nam se stalno nešto ponavlja u životu.
Very often we find ourselves in situations where things repeat to us. Things happen over and over the same to us.
Neko kaže da se pogrešno zaljubljuje.
Sometimes people say that they fall in love the wrong way, with the wrong person.
Ili nekome se stalno dešavaju neke nesreće.
Or somebody has accidents over and over.
Ili se razboli.
Or they get ill, so they get sick over and over.
Ili stalno ima probleme na poslu.
Or maybe a repetitive problem at work.
Vratimo se partnerskim odnosima.
And let's come back to the partnering, the intimate relationship.
Iako neko misli da se stalno pogrešno zaljubljuje, da ima pogrešnog partnera.
Even though some people think that they always find the wrong partner.
Ono što nam kazuje iskustvo, svako partnerstvo je pravo.
What the experience teaches us is that every partner that you find is exactly the right partner.
Ono koje nam u tom trenutku neophodno.
It's the partner that is necessary for us and for our growth.
I tu dolazi na scenu family constellation.
And that's where family constellations can help a lot.
Koje može da nam pomogne da vidimo uzroke za takva ponašanja.
Family constellations can give us the root problems and the root causes of our issues.
Za takve strukture.
For the structures that we carry in our lives.
I za takav život bez života.
And for a life that doesn't have any life in it.
Jer to je zapravo najgore, živeti, a biti mrtav.
And that's the worst of all. You are living, but you're really dead.
Dakle, mi nismo sami, nismo samonikli.
We are not alone. We didn't come here all by ourselves.
U nama žive naši roditelji, naš otac, naša majka.
In us, our parents live, our mother and our father.
Kao što u njima žive njihove roditelji.
Just like in them, their parents live.
I sva ta velika reka predaka u nama ima s jedne strane veliku snagu.
And just like that, the big river of ancestors in us have a really incredible strength behind it.
Ali istovremeno se ponekad desila neka trauma u prošlosti.
But at the same time, there may have been traumas in our family lineage.
I ta trauma je duboko utisnuta u našu genetsku strukturu.
And those types of traumas are typically pressed into our genetic structure very deeply.
I mi tu traumu onda nosimo kao da je naša.
And that kind of trauma we carry with us like it's our trauma.
Ili ponekad možda naši roditelji ili njihovi roditelji nisu imali sreće u ljubavi.
Or maybe our parents or their parents weren't lucky in love. They didn't have deep intimate relationships that worked.
U lojalnosti prema njima i mi biramo takve veze gde nećemo biti srećni u ljubavi.
Out of loyalty for our parents and our ancestors, sometimes we choose the same type of unfulfilled relationships out of loyalty to them because they had it that way.
Jer na takav način mislimo da ćemo zadržati pravo na pripadnost sopstvenoj porodici.
Somewhere deep inside we feel that we will stay loyal and we will keep our belonging to our family if we are unhappy just like them.
I na primjer, ponekad se desi da bez obzira na to nađemo pravu osobu i da smo potpuno srećni u novoj ljubavi.
And despite that, sometimes we find a great person and we're really, really happy in our relationship.
I u istom trenutku počinje da nas glođe crv sumnje.
But at that time, we start getting the little doubt creeping into our minds and our hearts.
I počnemo da sumnjamo da li je to zaista pravo ili nije.
And we doubt more and more, is this really it? Will this work? Is this the one? Is this the one that, for me?
I podsvjesno sebi stavljamo kamenje o koje se spotičemo.
And then unconsciously we throw rocks in front of us on which we're gonna trip on.
I pobegnemo od te ljubavi ili naljurimo tu ljubav od sebe.
And we either run away from that partner or we chase them away.
I ponovo smo nesrećni.
and then we're unhappy.
Ali paradoksalno je da smo u toj nesreći srećni.
But paradoxically, in that unhappiness, we are really, really happy.
So twisted.
Jer smo zadržali pravo na pripadnost. Kao da se plašimo da smo izdali našu porodicu ako ne dozvolimo sebi da budemo srećni u ovom životu, uprkos tome što oni nisu bili srećni.
If we are happy in this life, it seems like we have betrayed our family because they were unhappy. And because of that, we choose to stay unhappy and stay to belong with them in our unhappiness.
Ili, na primjer, ako nam je otac bio alkoholičar
Or for an example, if our father was an alcoholic,
i ćerka takvog oca ne želi da se suoči sa alkoholizmom svoga oca, već to potiskuje.
And so as a daughter of an alcoholic father, she really doesn't like the fact that he was an alcoholic, and she really would prefer something else and doesn't want to face the fact that he's an alcoholic.
Vrlo često će za svoje partnere birati muškarce koji su isto tako alkoholičari.
Because she doesn't accept her father, then unconsciously she will pick a partner that's an alcoholic.
I na takav način će oni iz ljubavi prema njoj da žive njen alkoholizam koji je ona potisnula i od koga se odrekla.
And she really didn't want to accept the alcoholism inside of her with her father, and therefore her partners will live that part of her and be alcoholics for her.
To može biti bilo koja osobina, ne samo alkoholizam, ali na primjer alkoholizam.
That can be the case with any other trait besides alcoholism. Now, we just used alcoholism as an example, but it could be anger, it could be other traits that our parents have.
Family Constellation nam pomaže da prevaziđemo takvu strukturu i da dozvolimo sebi da živimo jedan dobar život, pun ljubavi, osmeha, sreće.
And family constellations allow us to see the roots of those problems and allow us to shift the dynamic so that we can live a happy and fulfilled life and don't have to repeat the mistakes from the past.
Oh my God, isn't that beautiful? This is such a big insight. I mean, I can tell you because this is something new for me, and I've been doing this whole weekend, and I'm having such an insight, and I'm really breaking through lots of challenges that I had for myself about intimacy and relationship. We all have. But I'm learning so much, and I will share all of that with you. But if anybody wants to find a little bit more about Vlada, I will give you all the details. And anywhere you can find Family Constellation, I highly recommend it. Thank you very much. Thank you, Vlada.
Thank you, Maria. Thank you.